After days of patience, careful nurturing, and consistent attention, the moment finally arrives. Harvesting is more than just picking crops. It is the result of doing things right from the beginning. Every healthy leaf, every full-grown fruit is a proof of a process that works. From small seedlings to striving plants to abundant harvest. What you see here is not luck, it is care. It is knowledge applied correctly. From protecting the plants to maintaining soil health, every step plays a role, and the results speak for themselves. Strong, healthy, market-ready produce. Beyond the harvest, this is about people learning, growing, building something sustainable. Real impact, real outcome, real change. With the right knowledge and the right process, everyone can grow. Start small, stay consistent, and let your farm speak for you.